Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest BPO non-voice and voice process job openings in Chennai location. This information is verified, but do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for entity data. They are looking for BPO HC and insurance operations senior representative. Location Chennai. There is basic information about the company here, you can check. In this role, you will be responsible for read and understand the process documents provided by the customer, analyze the insurance claims and process as per standard operating procedures to understand and calculate COB coordination of benefit, the patient's responsibility and perform insurance calculations, familiarize, navigate multiple client applications and capture the necessary information to process insurance claims. Requirements for this role include 0 to freshers or 1 year of experience in any healthcare BPO, university degree or equivalent that require 3 plus years of formal studies, candidate with good typing skills with 25 words per minute or completed typewriting lawyer preferred or good to have. 1 plus years of experience using a computer with Windows PC applications that require you to use a keyboard, navigation screens and learn new software tools. Ability to work schedule shifts from Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. to 4 a.m., and to be flexible to accommodate business requirements. Ability to communicate oral written effectively in English to exchange information with our client. So, this is the details given here. You can go through the entity data services Chennai careers page and you can apply for this profile. I have also included the address details here. If you have any queries on this, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Touchline Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for customer care executive and need good communication skills. Job location T Nagar. Interested candidates, you can contact on the given number or you can share your resume at the WhatsApp. And I have also included the official address details and contact details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Hasbro Clothing Private Limited. They are looking for customer service assistant. There is basic information about the company here. You can check with that. Location will be Madurai, Chennai. Job title Customer Care Coordinator. This is only for female candidates. Job details you will be handling inbound calls, responses to emails and actioning the same, social media responses, coordinating between departments to solve the customer queries. Required skills looking for a female candidate with excellent oral and written communication skills. Languages required English and Tamil. Knowledge in Hindi would be added advantage. Salary offered 20,000 to 30,000 a month. I have shared the address details and contact details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Lemon Peak Marketing Services Private Limited. They are looking for quality analyst, international BPO. Salary offered 40,000 a month. Should be working as a quality analyst in international BPO wise. Should have some years of experience in auditing and monitoring. To audit the number of calls given by the client on a daily basis. Should have few years of experience as a quality analyst. They have not provided the how many years required. You can contact on the given number and ask for that, and you can get to know how many years of experience is required for this profile. And record feedback and to let the customer service representatives know about the areas of improvements. Attend call calibrations. Should be dynamic and have analytical problem solving, presentation and coaching skills. Should be an immediate joiner. So here they provided like quality analyst 1 year is preferred. Quality analyst international BPO wise 1 year is preferred. Not sure how many years they are looking for. You can check with the given numbers for further details. I have also included the official address details. Next, there is a job opening for Vivek Private Limited. They are looking for customer care manager retail. Salary offered 3 lakhs to 4 lakh 50,000 per year and responsible for the functions of the customer care department to manage a team of telemarketing and call center executives both inbound and outbound. Resolve the customer complaints raised over phone, email, social media, etc. by coordinating with retail outlets, warehouse and the customer. Responsible for overall customer satisfaction. Scheduled day shift. Experience, total working experience 8 years is preferred, but that is not mandatory. Education, bachelor's required. Location, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given number for further details. I have also included the address details of the organization. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Skylab Aviation. They are looking urgently for openings in BPO. They are offering 20,000 to 40,000 a month. Qualification any. Location Skylife Aviation Academy. This is the location Mylapore, Chennai. Shift US and UK shifts are required. Experience 2 plus or candidates should have 2 plus experience only in BPO. Candidates should have good communication. Need immediate joiners. Male and female candidates both can apply. Direct walk-in to this address, provide address. I have also included here. You can check with that. I have also included the official contact details and email address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Abhi Vairavan's Plumbing Company. They are looking for cashier or customer service. Salary offered 1,25,000 to 2 lakhs per annum. Job summary is like below. Cash handling, manual ledger and physical cash matching. Again tally balance and manual ledger to be same. Hand over cash balance to next cashier. All telephone calls need to enter in telephone register manually. ICICI bank transaction, card sales and bank transactions. All cash expenses for transport, staff welfare, maintenance and expenses on sales. Check the cash related bills to ensure the genuinely approval from partner is necessary. Cash receipt book, payment voucher, MCR receipt book writing and enter to tally. Petro card deposit and regular fuel expenses accounted. CC card sales account checked with sales bills. Day book and cash book mail sent to daily. So these are all the responsibilities, and work experience 2 years is preferred, but that is not mandatory. Education qualification bachelor's. Location Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Benefits health insurance, provident fund, paid leaves, leave encashment, travel allowance, and I have also included the address details here. You can check with that. There is also contact number. You can check with the company for further details. Next, there is job opening for Good Roots Kitchenware Private Limited. They are looking for customer care executive. This is also called as the Indus Valley company name. They are hiring for customer care executive. Work experience 1 to 6 years of experience is required. Working days Monday to Saturday. Salary offered 1,80,000 to 2,40,000 per annum. Job description is as below. Respond to customer queries in a timely and accurate way via phone, email, or chat. Monitor customer complaints on social media and reach out to provide assistance. Gather customer feedback and share with our product, sales, and marketing teams. Handle customer complaints. Provide appropriate solutions and alternatives within the time limits. Follow up to ensure resolution. Keep records of customer interactions. Process customer accounts and file documents. Follow communication procedures, guidelines, and policies. Take the extra mile to engage customers. Desired candidates. You care deeply, genuinely, and passionately about customer support, solving problems for customers, and about the role it plays in making a customer centric team successful. You are skilled at giving solutions succinctly and clearly. You are naturally empathetic and articulate communicator. In interested candidates, you can contact on the given phone number, and I have also included the official address details and contact details here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given number here and check for further procedure. Next, there is a job opening for Ultramatics Incorporation. They are looking for team lead customer service executive. Currently work from home. Salary offered 12,773 to 35,000 a month. There is basic information about the company here. You can check with that. Job role or designation, customer service and data quality executive, voice process, outbound or inbound, data management, healthcare. Description of the job: healthcare data validation and quality assurance using various tools, including calling healthcare providers, hospitals, and clinics, as well as using proprietary data management tools. You should have knowledge in healthcare, knowledge about USA geography, effective English oral communication skills, excellent analytical listening and organizational skills, excellent customer servicing skills, and great enthusiasm for helping customers. Statistics or commerce background will be a plus. Expert level proficiency in Microsoft Excel will be a plus. Attention to detail is required. Exposure to work on web browser environments. Discipline to stay focused on achieving goals. Prerequisites: must have good or stable internet and PC at our home with headsets. Shift timings will be 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. IST Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday. You can check with the company for further details. I have also provided the address details here. Next, there is a job openings for Magic Bus voice and non-voice processes. They are urgently hiring. An organization can use the front office outsourcing for various functions like the customer relation service, sales and marketing. While the voice-based BPO is directly engaged with the customers, non-voice BPO work is primarily a back office job. Expected start date of the job is October 26, 2020. Job type full-time internship fresher. This is like only for fresher. You can check with that company for the further details. I also included the address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for best caliber creator. They are looking for customer service executive voice process. Excellent opportunity to work in MNC company for international voice process. Responsibilities: to address outstanding or assigned AR through analysis and phone calls by using available resources. To utilize the PNP's policies and procedures established for the process. Academic and professional background required. Any graduate backlogs also can apply. Flexible to work in night shifts. Competence and skills: sound analytical skills, logical thinking, attention to detail, good verbal and written communication skills. Benefits: competitive remuneration, monthly performance based bonus, health insurance, PF gratuity. Best calibrator creator: this is the address details provided here. There is also contact number or WhatsApp number provided here. You can contact them the person Rohini. There is a given number 730-539-4455. Documents to be carried for the interview will be any one of your photo ID proof, printout of this call letter, bring your updated resume. Initially, you can check with the WhatsApp number. They will be knowing what is the further procedure. There is also address details provided here. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for IndiTrade Accelerator Limited. They are looking for customer service. Salary offered 5 lakhs per annum. We are looking for customer support or service experience candidate from NBFC background for Chennai location. Experience required: call center 1 year is preferred. Customer service 4 years is preferred. Education qualification: bachelor's. Language required: Hindi. Job duties: answering incoming customer inquiries, collaborate with management teams to stay updated on new products, services and policies, record customer information within our customer service database, engage with clients in a friendly and professional manner while actively listening to their. You can share your resume at the provided email ID careers@inditrade.com. I have also included the official address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for MYOT International. They are looking for customer support executive. Designation: customer support executive. Qualification: any graduation. Experience required 1 to 5 years. Salary offered best in the industry. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further procedure. I can also include the address details and contact numbers here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for InfoSearch BPO services. They are having a variety of positions. Firstly, US outbound verification process. Roles and responsibilities are as below. The process involve data verification. Timings will be Monday to Friday 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. IST. No sales and no targets. Fixed shifts and weekends off. Job details: excellent communication skills, 0 to 1 years of experience in international calling, any graduate or non-graduate, only male candidates are eligible, positive attitude and commitment to grow within the company. Candidates with arrears also can apply. This is for freshers totally, and who are having backlogs also they are eligible. You can also apply. Number of openings are available 10. InfoSearch BPO Services Private Limited. This is the address details provided here. There is also contact numbers. You can check with that. I have also included the official email ID address. You can share your resume or you can contact on the given numbers. If they are looking for direct walk-in, you can go. Next, there is job opening for same company, InfoSearch BPO Services. Job title: International Non-Voice Process. Roles and responsibilities: image verification process, ability to understand the process and perform quickly. Job details are as below. Simple image verification process. Shift timings will be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. rotational shift. These are all the shifts rotationally they provided here. Rotational week off. Direct walk into this company for the interview. Freshers without arrears are preferred. That is, freshers without backlogs are preferred, but that is not mandatory as per their update. Immediate joiners are preferred. Candidates who are pursuing education in regular is not considered. Who are having who are still in final year of degree, they are not eligible for this job. And basic computer knowledge is required. Number of openings are 50. There is a more chances to get a job for this. You can directly walk into this company. Before that, you can contact on the given numbers for further details. That is best way. And as per their update, this is freshers with backlogs are not preferred much. Not sure on that. You can check with the company only by contacting on the given numbers. And immediate joiners are preferred. Next, there is a job opening for the same company. Job title: annotators, taggers, executive, annotation services. Roles and responsibilities: drawing, bound box, polygon, labeling. Job details: the job involves annotation or labeling or both. Candidates with prior experience in drawing, bounding box, polygon, semantic segmentation, etc. will be added advantage. Rotational shift: good computer operation skills, good salary with attractive incentives. Training will be provided to selected candidates on specific tasks, and accredited annotators will be allowed to work on tasks. You can share your resume at the provided email ID jobs@infosearchbpo.com. The selected candidates will be working from our Chennai office on a full-time employment basis. Please note, this is the HR team for hiring process. You can check with that. This is related to that COVID. You can check with that. Number of openings are 230. So it is like a huge opportunity to get a job. You can share your resume immediately, and if you are suitable, like if you are eligible for this, definitely you will get a call and you will be hired. I have also included the address details here and the contact numbers. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for InfoSearch BPO services for the same company. Job title: domestic inbound customer support. Roles and responsibilities: the job involves interaction with customers to solve their queries. Simple inbound customer support. No sales and targets. Should be passionate about customer service and interaction with customers. Rotational shift. And these are all the roles and responsibilities. Job details are as below. Excellent communication skills in English, Hindi and Tamil language. Proficiency in another language mentioned here is added advantage but not mandatory. Telugu, Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam. Freshers 0 to 1 years of call center experience. Freshers are 1 year of experience. Anyone can apply. Any graduate or non-graduate. Positive attitude and commitment to grow with the company. Candidates with arrears can also apply. So as per the update here, freshers are eligible. This is mainly for freshers only, and any graduate or non-graduate can also apply. Candidates with backlogs also eligible for this job profile. You can directly call to this number and let know about the further procedure. I have also included the address details, or else you can share your resume at the provided email ID job@infosearchbpo.com. You can contact the given number for further details. For the same company, InfoSearch BPO services, there is a job opening. Job title: US outbound verification process. Roles and responsibilities are as below. The process involves data verification. Monday to Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. No sales and no targets. Fixed shifts and weekends off. This is a fixed shift, not a rotational. 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will be, weekends will be off. Number of openings 10. Job details are as below. Excellent communication skills. Freshers or 1 year of experience in international calling. Any graduate or non-graduate. Only male candidates are eligible. Positive attitude and commitment to grow with the company. Candidates with arrears can also apply. As per the update, this is for freshers. Any graduate or non-graduate can apply, and this is only for male candidates. Candidates who are having backlogs also can apply for this job. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or else you can Contact on the given number for further details. There is also one more option. You can go through the careers page of Infosys BPO services and you can apply. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization. Job title is Customer Support Executive, Australian Voice Process. Roles and responsibilities are as below. The job involves lead generation and outbound sales regarding utility products like solar panels and LED lights. Should be passionate about customer service and interaction with Australian customers. Timings will be 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. day shift. Fixed shifts and fixed Sunday off. Job details, excellent communication skills. Freshers are 1 year of experience in international outbound calling. Any graduate or non-graduate eligible. Positive attitude and commitment to grow with the company. Candidates with ARERAS can also apply. As per the update, this is the freshers and any graduate or non-graduate eligible. Candidates who are having backlogs also can apply for this job. And I have also included the address details and contact numbers and official email ID. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Infosys BPO services, there is a job opening, UK voice process outbound, roles and responsibilities. The job involves outbound sales regarding utility products like gas and electricity. Should be passionate about customer service and interaction with UK customers. Timings will be 2:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Attractive salary is offered. Fixed shifts and weekends off. So Monday to Friday will be timings and Saturday Sunday fixed off. And this is not a rotational shift. This is a fixed shift. Job details: excellent communication skills. Freshers are 2 years of experience in international outbound calling. Any graduate or non-graduate. Only male candidates are eligible. Positive attitude with commitment to grow with the company. Candidates with ARERAS can also apply. As per the update, this is for freshers. Any graduate or non-graduate are eligible. Only for male candidates, and candidates with who are having backlogs also can apply. Number of openings 10. You can check with the company with the provided contact numbers for further details. I've also included the official email ID address. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for same organization, Infosys BPO services. Job title: International Non-Voice Process Team Leader. Roles and responsibilities: provide foundation training to new joiners in the organization. Ability to maintain current and relevant training materials. Tracking the performance of the trainees during the training period. Prepare and maintain a detailed training report for each training batch. Upgrading the process content about product to the existing employees. Report the performance tracker of all employees to the assigned officials on daily, weekly and monthly basis. Job details are as below. Experience in handling a team, good communication and interpersonal skills, ability to understand multiple processes, voice and data, good knowledge in Excel and PowerPoint, assist in developing and implementing training and quality standards and processes to assess people performance. These are all the job details and roles available, and number of openings are 5. As this is a team leader position, this may require experience in that domain. You can check with the company for further details. I have also shared the official email ID address details and contact details here. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for the same organization, Infosys BPO services, for the profile US inbound non-technical support. Your roles and responsibilities: to provide non-technical support to accounting related software package. The job involves handling inbound calls, chat, emails for USA customers. Timings will be 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. No sales and no targets. Fixed shifts and weekends off. So Monday to Friday will be fixed shift 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. and Saturday Sunday fixed weekends are off. Job details: excellent communication skills. Freshers are 3 years of experience in international calling. BCom, MBA accounts, BBA, BBM, MCom, BCS should have strong knowledge in accounts. Only male candidates are eligible. Positive attitude and commitment to grow with the company. Candidates with ARERAS also can apply. As per the update, freshers are eligible for this job profile or up to 3 years of experience they will consider. And there should be a strong knowledge in accounts for this profile, and this is only for male candidates. Persons with who are having backlogs also can apply for this job. Number of openings are 10. You can contact at the given number for further details, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go to the careers page of Infosys BPO services, or you can apply through that. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, Let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.